Hello and welcome back. Now in the last video I did do a fit check with the fuel tank and the seat just to see how it's going to end up looking, but I had to take it all apart since then because I need to remove the rear swing arm. I don't have the tools at home, so I had to go to a shop where we tried using a 15-ton press. I was only able to apply about 2 tons on the bolt, on the swing arm bolt, in order to try and push it out, but it wouldn't come out. The frame started buckling, so I couldn't apply more than about 2 tons of load. So it's properly seized in there. We then tried an impact gun. This was like a proper heavy-duty impact gun with about 1,000 Newton meters of torque. That didn't manage to break the bolt loose. It just managed to strip the threads off. So now the bolt is just stuck on there, and there's no the head is all mangled up. So I just need to start cutting stuff. So I think what I'll try and do is try and cut the bolt and then see if I can. So I'll cut the bolt, I'll remove the swing arm and see if I can somehow drill it out or press it out or find a way of removing it. In that short clip, I tried to drill this out. So this is the bolt that holds the swing arm, which I've had to cut, and I just can't take it out. So I thought I'll drill it, but I don't have a drill bit big enough. So all I managed to do is make a small hole in the big bolt. So I'll have to take it to some kind of machining shop who can either push it out or drill it out. But before I take it to a machine shop, I'll probably cut the rear end of the bike off and see if I can make a separate piece, just because it's too rusted and it probably won't pass MOT. So I finally managed to take out the rear swing arm bolt. I've tried many things, as I've explained in this video, but couldn't get it out, so I took it to a local machining shop, and they managed to drill it through whilst leaving a thin sleeve. So once they drilled all the way through, we managed to basically collapse the sleeve inside and push it out with a screwdriver. So now it's out, but it cost me £60 to have it done. And for about £120 I could have bought a frame that's in much better condition than this one. So I'm not sure if I made the right decision trying to work with the current frame, or I should have just bought a different frame, one that's in better condition. I think what I'll have to do next is just address these holes here, maybe, not too sure how yet, but maybe I'll just cut a piece out and then weld a bit of metal in there. And I have to do the same on the back here. There's some rot there as well. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.